So what's up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dazja Jordan. For those of you that are new, and for my returning kin folks, what's up? If you haven't, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that little bell on the side so that you can keep up with your girl. Okay, now let's go ahead and get into the vlog. Okay, I got one kid off to school and I got the other one here. My little baby, my youngest, has a physical therapy appointment for his leg. He just recently went through a surgery, and we could talk about that later, I guess. But a part of going through the healing process is going through physical therapy and, you know, kind of learning how to use certain muscles and stuff like that all over again. So yeah, that's what I got going on today. It is really gloomy outside. It was raining a lot, actually. Like, it actually made me regret like doing my hair, because I know as soon as the rain hits, it's getting ready to be like done. But anyways, our Uber will be here in exactly like 19 minutes. So I have to finish packing up Cree's lunchbox, which I'm halfway done with that already. So I need to do that, put my earrings on. Yeah, put my earrings on, because, you know, your girl cannot be going nowhere without no earrings, okay? And I also need to make myself like a little small breakfast, even if it's just like a bagel or something like that. I need to do that because I don't want to be gone from the house for a couple of hours and not have nothing on my stomach. Like, it's gonna be crazy. But anyways, let's go ahead and get going, because we only have 19 minutes and I just gotta make sure I get everything done. So I'll probably pick you guys up once I'm kind of done with everything, because I don't want to be running around like a mad woman or with y'all. So give me a second and I'm gonna be back. Okay guys, I got everything done. OMG. And I'm not rushing. Y'all, I'm wearing silver earrings these days. Typically stick with the gold. But anyways, I got everything that we need so that we can get ready to go. And I will talk to you guys in a minute. Ooh, I'm out of breath. Y'all know them stairs are walking around the house. Good God. Alright, let's grab our water. Alright guys, we have made it to the doctor's appointment. Me a twin. Okay, anyways, let's go ahead and get in here. We're a few minutes early, but by the time we get upstairs, we'll be right on time.
I put your picture on my mirror. Start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Trying to stand up, my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. Yeah. You come around like this, baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when never know when you might walk by. So I gotta be right.
Always with this tripod. Anyways, what's up, you guys? We are back home. Okay, finally. Y'all, it is raining so bad outside. Like I was telling y'all this morning before we even left the house, it is raining, still raining. So yeah, but we are back home. I gotta get the boys from the bus stop. I felt like I could have brought him home with me, but then I was like, nah, that's like a good 2.5 hours I can have to myself. You know, if you are a single mom or a mom in general, like getting even like an hour or 2 hours to yourself, it's needed. So I was like, you know what, I'm still gonna take you to school. So I took him to school. That's why he's not here with me, you know, because I could have kept him home and it just would have been like a free day, but I was like, nah, I need my time. But anyways, you guys, while I do have my time, I'm getting ready to make myself a salad. I got a Caesar salad from the store the other day when we went grocery shopping. So yeah, I need to, you know, insert more greens into my diet, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and make myself a chicken salad, and I think I'm gonna, you know, sit down for a second, maybe actually like enjoy my food. I mean, because like, am I the only one that it's always busy? Like, even when you're eating, you're doing something, whether you're scrolling on your phone or, you know, talking to somebody, reading a book or something, like, or watching a show, like, you just, I don't know, maybe it's me. As a mom, I just feel like I never get a second. Even when I'm eating, someone always needs something. Oh, can I get this, can I get that, I'm missing this, I'm missing that, you know. So I don't know, this is nice. So I think I might do that. I'm gonna just sit and enjoy a salad in peace and quiet. Like, I'm gonna do that. That's gonna be so nice. So yeah, let's go ahead, let's do that. Let's not waste no time, let's make a salad. Let's go ahead. Hey guys, let's go ahead and turn this TV down. Hey, ooh, I didn't mean to get that close. But anyways, you guys, what's up? Good morning. Welcome back to another day in the vlog. Today is what, Friday, y'all? Listen, we are getting ready to call our Uber in a minute, but I really want to talk to you guys. Actually, hold on, let me call the Uber before I actually get into this. I mean, sometimes the Ubers be coming quick. They be like 3 minutes away and I'm like, dang. And I kind of want to give myself a little minute to talk to y'all. But anyways, you guys, at this moment I am now waiting on my Uber, but I wanted to talk to you guys for a second. It says that it's connecting me to a driver, so it hasn't even found me anybody yet. But anyways, you guys, before my Uber gets here and we head to therapy, I want to show you guys my recent goodies that I have gotten. Okay, and this is not everything, this is just some of the items. Some of the other items I want to show you guys like a little later. Yeah, but let me show y'all a couple of my favorite things that I got, that I think that, you know, I don't know what I'm thinking, but let me show you. Okay, the first thing is I got off of Amazon. I don't know if it's a viral book. Okay, well, I guess it must be viral because I've been seeing it everywhere. I've been seeing it on my Lemonade pop up a lot on my Lemonade feed. And someone has said that they got it for $3 off of Amazon. So I wanted to go and fact check that. And honestly got caught up in actually getting a copy because it is only $3, and that's like with tax and everything. Okay, this book is Black Friend Essays by Z-Way. Oh my gosh, I am a fan of Z-Way. She's very controversial, very controversial, but that is okay. I first got hip to her watching her series on HBO, and she had like Chet Hanks on there, or Chet Hanks on there, and you know, I don't know, my brother put me on to her. I've just been a fan of her ever since. So when I saw that her book, and this is what she looks like, I mean, you know, I love it, but I don't know, I felt led to buy this book, so I bought it. I'm gonna read it, and like I said, it's viral. It was only $3 on Amazon, so if you get it and you don't like it, that is okay. But if you get it and you love it, just know that your $3 just went to an amazing cause. I've read a couple of pages, and they're funny. Okay, they're like real life experiences and stuff like that, and I really like that. Yeah, I like it. And the cover is cute. It's cute and pink. It's really cute and pink. Oh my gosh, guys, don't mind my nails. They are so rusty, crusty, and dusty. Ugh. We're gonna fix that sometime too. But you guys, the next thing that I'm going to be showing y'all is a brand sent this to us. This is some Korean skincare, you guys. I have been hearing a lot about using Korean skincare, and I have never bought Korean skincare. So when this brand reached out, Dr. G, and was like, yo, you wanna try some Korean skincare? I was like, absolutely. So we're gonna be trying this out. I don't know, but I want to show y'all this because the packaging is really nice on here. Like, I'm gonna give you guys the same detail when I give the review on it, but anyways, here's a little preview. Okay, here's a little preview because it was just too cool to pass up when I took it out of the package. packaging, okay? But use some Korean skincare and some brightening. Let's just see what it does. But yeah, I thought the packaging on the outside was really, really cool. Like how it was, I don't know, do I say blind friendly? I hope I'm not offending anybody. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and open it, and this is what the tube looks like. So yeah, I'm excited about trying it, about showing y'all what it looks like. But yeah, that's what I've gotten so far. Jesus, let me move that. That just made me nervous. I got a drink sitting right here by my other camera. Crazy, girl, I'm crazy. But today, once we get back from therapy, I actually plan to like get myself together. I did my hair, I washed, conditioned, did my hair, okay? I really need to do something with my nails. This ain't gonna cut it, okay? No, 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 no. Y'all know me. Keep it pressed on handy. So we're gonna look through all my nails and stuff like that and see what I got so I can get these nails done. But that's everything that I have to get done, and my goal is to try to get majority of it done before the kids get home from school. So that is what I am really working towards. But anyways, y'all, my Uber will be here in 5 minutes, so let me go ahead, grab my purse, pack up and all of that so that we can get ready to go to therapy and get back. Hey guys, so we just finished up with our therapy appointment. Y'all know I typically take y'all into therapy with me, but I didn't this time. Right now we are just waiting on our Uber to get here. Y'all, I'm so mad 'cause I just paid $10 to Uber home and I could have used Lyft for $8. Like, ugh. But that's okay. We're getting ready to head home right now so that we can knock out everything that we need to get done at the house. And I need to add putting some chapstick on the list too once we get there. But anyways, let's hurry up and go, and I'm gonna talk to you guys once we get home.
Threw away your love letters. I thought it'd make me feel better. I finally got you out my bed, but I still can't get you out my head. Ooh, I'm seeing you one text at a time. I know you by your phone, so boy pick up your line. And I ain't too proud to beg, so what's been said has been said. And I need you to know you don't know what love is. And I need.
What's up, you guys? I feel like it has been forever since we have talked, but I wanted to pick up the camera and say what's up to you guys. Y'all, my cramps are driving me insane, okay? But I was able to film a makeup tutorial, okay? I was able to do that, and on top of that I was able to do a glasses review, and I want to show y'all these glasses that I got from Fytoo. Ooh, that sound was hitting. But anyway, the glasses that I got from Fytoo are so cute. Look at these, y'all. Like, I just did a review on them, but I wanted to show you guys the glasses. They're so cute, and they are prescription. I got these as well. Okay, last pair, which you guys have seen me wear these ones in the vlog. I think it was last week's vlog that you guys see me wear that in. But yeah, I just want to show you guys the glasses that I had got, because I know when I opened up my PR boxes this morning, or not PR boxes, it was literally like one PR thing and then another thing from Amazon. But anyways, when I opened it, I did mention that I was going to show you guys one of the other PR things that I had got, which was his glasses. I just wanted to do a review in them before I got on the vlog and showed you guys, because it would have been real sad to show y'all and then not be able to film the actual review video. I want to say kind of during this vlog, you know what I'm saying? So I just wanted to, you know, kind of set myself up for success and not failure on that one. But anyways, yeah, you guys make sure that y'all are subscribed, and make sure that after you guys watch this vlog, you guys go and watch my glasses review on Fytoo, because I believe that I am becoming a glasses girly. I want to be a frames girly so bad. One, because I actually need to wear glasses, and two, because they were so stylish. Like, who doesn't love a nice little outfit with some glasses, with some frames? Okay, so whether it's sunglasses or regular glasses, okay?
Mommy.
Anyways, like I was saying, yeah, I want to be a glasses girly. So I just want to be a glasses girly. So that is what I'm working towards. And shout out to Fytoo Optical Store for collabing with me and sending me these wonderful glasses to review and to have. So yeah, we in that thing, you guys. We're literally starting out with small collabs, so I'm excited. You guys are witnessing the growth. We went from getting no collaborations to now, baby, now this is the second glasses collaboration, and I'm excited for it. But yeah, it's like 4:05 right now. I was going to cook dinner, but y'all, the cramps is cramping, so we're gonna grab something, and then I'm going to talk to you guys a little later.
You bad like that, you know, but I'm the one that eats your pain. I know.